dancing friend. Hey kiddos, let's all play, learning numbers in a fun way. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Counting rhymes make learning sweet. Number 1, we start the show. Everybody count and go. Number 2 comes right in line. Dance and jump and feel it fine. Number 3, a hop so high. Touch the clouds up in the sky. Number 4, spin around. Feel the rhythm, hear the sound. Number 5, give a cheer. Learning's fun when friends are near. Number 6, let's bend low. Touch your toes and up we go. Your arms, enjoy the ride. Number 8, make a wave. Counting fun is what we crave. Number 9, march along. Step in rhythm, sing our song. Number 10, we reach the end. Learning numbers with a friend. Number 11, clap again. Counting grows from 1 to 10 plus 1. Number 12, let's spin around. Happy faces all are found. Number 13, lucky and bright. Count with joy with all your might. 14, jump so high, touch the stars up in the sky. Number 15, shout hooray, counting fun all through the day. Number 16, tap your feet, rhythms make our count complete. Number 17, wave up tall, numbers big, we love them all. Number 18, dance in line, clap your hands, it's counting time. Number 19, step and cheer, counting fun is always near. Number 20, big and strong, sing together, count along. Kiddos dance all day, numbers guide us as we play. Count with joy, jump around, numbers make the best dance sound. Clap and shout, 1, 2, 3, numbers make us feel so free. Spin and sing, 4, 5, 6, numbers add to all our tricks. Wave your hands, 7, 8, 9, counting makes us shine so fine. Count to 20, let's cheer loud, learning numbers makes us proud. Hey! The fun won't end.